I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look up an individual subscriber and take a look at what email campaigns have been sent to that subscriber. So as you can see, I'm in the Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go to the top menu, click Lists, and click the word Lists. I'm going to be working with subscriber list C. In the list view, I can choose the subscriber icon, or I can go to Grid View, find Subscriber List C, go all the way to the right, and select the subscriber icon. Now I need to find my subscriber, so I'm going to do a search. And here's my subscriber right here. And to view the emails that they've been sent so far, all I need to do is click this little envelope that's labeled Campaign Sent to this subscriber. So when I click that, it's going to give me all the subscriber campaigns that this person has received. It will list the email campaign that was sent, the campaign name, the web version, the process status, and the date that it was added. There are no results in here because I haven't sent any campaigns to this particular subscriber. To go back to the subscriber list, just click back to subscriber list, and that will take me back to the full list. And that's how you look at the email campaigns that have been sent to an individual subscriber in a specific list in Mailing Boss.